Hi you guys, we're back in the kitchen again. Tonight I'm going to be making Krispy Kreme donut peach cobbler. I never made it. I can't wait to try it. I went to Krispy Kreme and got some donuts. So, got my Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm gonna get the milk out the refrigerator. I have my butter. What is milk here? I got my vanilla. Let me get my vanilla. I got my vanilla. I got my cinnamon. I got my brown sugar. My cinnamon, my vanilla, brown sugar, and let me grab my white sugar. Got my white sugar. Oh. Alrighty. I got my casserole dish. So before I make up my mixture, because this don't take that long, I need to, well, I can do it while my donuts is in the, while I'm making my mixture. Let me do it first. Somebody move it. Okay, I got my can of peaches. This is a 28-ounce can. I'm gonna pour the peaches in something and the juice in something else. So the juice is going in a pot, the peaches is going in a bowl. So before I get the can all the way open, I'm just gonna pull the juice over in a side in a pot because it's gonna have to cook for me. And I'm trying to get as much juice as possible because that's how you make your goodness with it. I decided to make this on my way home. Yes, I do have a bun on my head. And the reason why is because I'm not gonna fool with no hair in no wet kitchen, as long as y'all know. And I'm gonna wash my hands 50 times. Yep, she sure is. All right, I got my peaches. Let me bring you down so I can show y'all. Got my peaches. Hold them in my bowl. There's a little juice left over, but that doesn't matter. What do I do? Oh, my hands are cut right. All right. So I have my juice right here in this one, which this is what's going on the stove, my juice. My peaches is going over to the side, but I am going to doctor them up a little bit. Need the smaller measuring cup. I'm gonna go in with some brown sugar. That should be about a cup. I'm gonna go in with some white sugar. This is a half. Okay. And the size measuring cup I'm using is 1/3. So I did 2 1/2 of those, and I did 2 brown sugars. So that should be sweet enough for me. I don't like my stuff extremely sweet, but I do like it a little sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla. I'll say tablespoon of vanilla. Let me hit it with a little bit more. I like a little extra. Okay. Darn, I almost gave it too much. Here's the fun part. Here's the cinnamon. And you have to go in with, I can move this out the way now. Let me get my nutmeg. What you said, baby? Scissors on the side of my bed. Upstairs on the side of my bed. Okay. I thought I had pulled it out. I guess I didn't, guys. I'm sorry. My nutmeg is fresh nutmeg. I have to grate it. Oh. Thought I had to take it out. Got to take it out. Oh, it's right here in front of me. Sorry. Nutmeg. I use the fresh because a little goes a long way. So I take one out. You don't have to worry about it. Let me get my shredder. And remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to this freshly grated nutmeg. Ooh, this stuff is potent and powerful. Okay, that should be enough. Let's see. Give it a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Okay. And you put your nutmeg back in here. I like this better. This you can have forever. All right, let me get me a wooden spoon and go to work. Make sure everything is mixed up. Oh yeah. Look at it. It's starting to caramelize. See it? Hold on, guys. I got to make some room. I meant to put the sugar back. Hold on. Let me put this back over here. Put this one back. Bring this closer so y'all can be able to see me. Y'all can see what I'm doing. I ain't doing it but stirring it up inside the thing. Getting it all good and mixed in. Okay. This right here we're going to set aside. Got that done. We got our peach juice. So our peach. All right, you guys. I got my juice. I got a little cornstarch in this cup. It's probably less than a quarter cornstarch because I don't want it too thick. Got my cornstarch. And this right here is going on the stove, but I need to add in some butter. And with that one, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of milk because you don't need very much milk with it. But you do need just a little bit. Because the reason why I won't need that much butter is because this, what's the name, already has butter in it. It's so buttery. Oh, the bacon is ready. Okay. So I got that. Let me go ahead and add the, move, booby, move. Go with daddy. My dog just had a bath. You know better. Okay, I added my milk to it. Go with daddy. Go with daddy. Thank you. Thank you, big boy. You so sweet to your mommy. Okay. All righty. Got that. And now I got my pan. because I don't want it to stick. Oh. All right, take my hand and just break it up. So far, I've used 2 donuts. We're gonna count them together. Three donuts. This is 4. Probably gonna need a total of 6. My husband helped. Yeah, I left them 2. I think this will be fine. Yeah. I think 3 is fine. I mean, 7 is fine. I'll put the rest of them in a Ziploc bag. Okay. So in this one, I have 7 donuts. Let me borrow this. So I'm going to add that one to this one. All right. Check this in here. Only thing we have to do is just let our buttermilk. And we should be good with this. It's almost melted. I can put the milk back. Okay, it's almost ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch it around. Well, I'll put this over to the side right here so you guys can see me. Okay. All right. Wash my hands. Got it. You got those too? Of course. Can you get them? Wow. It's all in there. Just let them know. His ears out. His ears won't even hurt him like that. How was it when you cleaned it out? It's red. It's red from when that stuff they use in his ear. Alrighty. Got that. Good goodness. And now I got it stirred up. I want to make sure that it's sweet enough. That's good. That is really good. All right, now we'll go in. All right. This is going to be a wet peach cobbler. Moist. Okay. All right, that's what it looks like before it goes into the oven. You guys, stay tuned. All right, you guys, look at our peach cobbler made with donuts. Don't that look delicious? I am going to drizzle glaze over it once it cools down. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you. Have a nice day. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. All right, you guys, look at our peach cobbler made with donuts. Don't that look delicious? I am going to drizzle glaze over it once it cools down. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share. if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you. Have a nice day. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.